What up, traders? It's Sunday already. I'm waiting for market to open tonight, guys. I hope you guys are active for the new market. Pray on your money for the new week, guys. There's a trade I took last week. I took two trades, GPJPY and USD MXN. The two trade went well, but eventually didn't hit TP, and they reversed back to entry on Friday, making it not being possible to be able to make money last week from my two trades that I took last week, the GPJPY and the USD MXN. I'm going to show you the two trades so that you can see how the markets move. It's just crazy. I couldn't give me my TP before reversing, but anyways, let me show you guys right here in the chart. Straight up to the chart, let me show you guys. This is the USD MXN, and how did I came up with this trade? I'm back testing on the pair. So let me start from the entry first. Okay, yeah. Right here you can see the market push from here to the upside. It didn't take out any high. So it reversed back again. It pushed to the upside, stopped here and gave us a new low and pushed back to the upside. Right? So then it pushed down again to the downside to take out this low, making it a low being taken out by this low. And this low, you see, it respected this zone without taking out this low. Then pushed to the upside, creating a low, and back to the upside again. I took out this high. This high was being taken out by removed. And if you see, you can see that the first push didn't take out a high, like I said previously, and we always in a bullish trend want to see push to the up, a high being taken out and low be respected. That's how we say market is buying and we want to look for it, right? And sell, market move to the downside, taking out the lows. We say market is selling and we want to look for sales, right? Yeah. So then what we can see that market took out a high, identifying that market is buying and lows should be respected. And you can see this previously was respected before this guy put a low that took out the high, making this low a valid low for us to look for a buy, because now market is buying, we want to look for buy continuation. Now our entry comes in right here. So me, I trade algo structure. So right here I can see a clean algo structure, but my entry was order block. But because of the algo that I saw, I can really say that okay, this order block is cool for me to take the trade. All right, what did I see here? You can see that this low was being taken out by this low, and you can see market push to the downside here, creating liquidity for us, and push to the upside, taking out the first high and the second high. This is a good trade for me to take, and I want to now look for my entry points. And here you can see that that's how I got this order block after seeing my algo right here, this low being taken out, and this is my liquidity. So I want to wait for market to come down, tap me in from the order block and buy. And you can see market tap me in. First of all, first it was going down and the market was really slow. I think I catch this trade on Tuesday last week. Yeah, I think so. Tuesday or Wednesday, and you can see how slow it was to even get. And also, when it was volatile, it couldn't even hit the TP before reversing. And you can see a few pips to TP, and this guy reversed back to entry. Just needed, I think, 65 pips. I don't know how to check these pips though. I just do my 1 to 2 risk to reward, and I'm out of the market. Not the pips that matters. Is my risk management, how much I want to put in the trade, and my risk to RR, which is 1 to 2, which I normally do. And you can see this 1 to 2, you can see 1.99, I think is, yeah, that's 1 to 2, and trade reversed. So the second trade, which is GPJPY, let me show you guys. This is GPPJPY where I caught a sell. You can see market sold to this point and it reversed just like that. So that is how my week was going last week. And this new week, market is opening tonight, so I hope this trade could end the TP so that I can make some money from it. If it's the hit, I sell. I calculated my losses. Play safe, guys. Always manage your risk and stay in the safe side of the market, and don't beat around the bush, like running on your trade, taking them and closing your trade because you couldn't even manage your risk and you're seeing the trade going against you and you're panicking. So your risk is very important. You need to know your risk management is very, very important for you to make money from this trade. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.